naweza kuexplainia what governors go through. Jumi mwenyewe nimeambiwa na watu nisimame governor na nimeteta hiyo story mbaya sana, nimekataa. You know, when you're a governor,
Yes.
the first problem uko nayo ni ma MCA.
Yeah.
So you have all this bunch of fools, probably like 45 50 fools,
Yes.
who want money from you by all means. Right? So if you don't give them money, they're going to conjure an explanation to impeach you. They're going to come up with something. So for that reason, you have to make this money for them. And in the process ya kuwapea hii do, lazima ujibakishie yako, so that hii story ikikuja kulipuka, ukuwe na ya kujitetea, ya kuhaya wakili na kulipa cash bail.
Senators
Ya kujitetea. And the other thing I can tell you about the water, okay, you've said wanatupea maji so that we live long enough to vote for them.
to make it to the next election.
I'll tell you there's a different thought to it. The water services boards or the water services companies.
Yes.
So you'll hear about Ruasco, Ruiru Water, you know, and Sewerage Company. You'll hear about Kuwasco. You'll hear about these local water and sewerage companies. These companies are managed by the county. And most of the money in Kenya is not stolen through expenditure. Najua watu wananijua for Vampire Diaries, where I expose projects, but you know I'm exposing expenditure. Yet most of the money in Kenya is not stolen through expenditure. Most of the money in Kenya is stolen through revenue.
Okay.
So unaona zile bill za maji zenye watu wanalipa and what have you, that is a very very big source of revenue. The county government, the governor can directly steal like 100 million a month from just water.
I think even
So ana increase customers wake, ana increase sources za do, more people to pay bills, so that as you pay bills they have like, Uliona Control of Budget was complaining that these counties have opened up to 300 bank accounts. It's for theft of revenue.
Yeah, wako na hizo wana spend on ujinga sana.
And then the other problem ni when you are a governor, uko chini unakuanga unapigana another war. So unaona hapa nationally we are fighting tribalism.
Yes.
Uko chini unakuanga una fight na clanism. Sasa if you are let's say a governor of a Masai County, kuna kuanga na divisions ya ng'ombe ya red na ng'ombe ya black. And then kuna kuanga na divisions za clans na group ranches.
Yes.
Okay, so you'll find like from Oloitoktok all the way to Amboseli National Park, that is one clan or group ranch. Then from Amboseli National Park all the way up to Ilasit near the Tanzanian border, you find that's again another clan. So they fight among as clans. Ukikuja Kisii utapata kuna Abagirango, Abanchari, Abagetutu. So anytime you want to like do something, people say, oh, you're favoring a particular clan or you are fighting so and so. If you say maybe one of your officers is corrupt, you're going to fire them. They say, sisi haba nchari tunafutwa. Wanataka kufuta haba nchari kwa sababu wanataka kuingiza ababasi. So you're fighting another war down there. Then the other thing is the kingpins. The kingpin politics plays a very big role pale kwa county. So you find if you're coming from an ODM county, you have some money that you take to Raila. And because of this money that you take to Raila, you have to steal it from somewhere. So you're going to steal it from the county, take it to Raila so that in case you have a corruption case, he can help you out. If you are from Ruto's side, Farouk Kibet has a list of the people that are supposed to bring money this week.
Kibeti.
So you're not going to fail to come. Okay? So that's why when I was on JKL, I said, as long as the president is corrupt, corruption in Kenya cannot end. Because a president is not the one who goes to steal the money. He's not the procurement director. The president will instruct the cabinet secretary. The cabinet secretary, in the process of stealing that money to take to the president, he'll steal more because he needs to retain some in case vitu zilipuke. But you see, the cabinet secretary is again not the one stealing it. He'll tell the permanent secretary what to do. The permanent secretary, in response to the cabinet secretary, will also steal a bit more ili mbakie kidogo. The permanent secretary will steal through the chief accountant, the head of procurement, and other people. These people also steal through other junior officers. So you find now that corruption that is getting to the president has started from down here. So we can only fight corruption top down. So when you talk about Susan Kihika, you find you are a governor but you are in a fix. Pesa inahitajika juu, pesa inahitajika horizontally, pesa inahitajika chini. And this money you have to steal it.
Yeah.
So if you steal it, you don't have money for development.